Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download pictures from Pinterest, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download pictures from Pinterest, you will need to download the Pinterest app first. So if you haven't downloaded the app yet, you can find it on your Play Store or App Store, so just download it there. And once you already have the Pinterest app, I will now show you how you can download pictures there. So to do that, first, I want you to open your Pinterest. And once you're on Pinterest, you will now be able to see many Pinterest pictures, so just select the one that you like. But if you can't find the picture that you like right here, then just search it up so you can find it. And after searching, you will now be able to see the pictures you like, so just select the one that you like to download it. And once you've selected the picture, next, I want you to tap the three dots at the top right corner. And after tapping it, you will now be able to see the download image button right here, so just tap it to completely download the picture. And after that, the picture will now be downloaded. Let's check it on my gallery. And there it is guys, as you can see, the picture has now been downloaded and saved to my gallery successfully. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.